Hey guys, as we all know, Samsung is working on its foldable phone from years now, and now it seems that Apple, LG, Huawei, in fact almost every smartphone manufacturing company started working on its foldable tech. And now it also seems that Chinese smartphone brand has come first in the race of foldable smartphone, as Huawei plans to launch world's first foldable smartphone in November. Last year, Huawei CEO Richard Yu said that the company has a working foldable phone that could be released in 2018. Huawei has also filed a patent application with the World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO). 2 days back, Huawei's foldable phone patent leaked. The patent was published by that organization and includes images of what Huawei has in mind. No doubt Huawei will be the first OEM to have a truly foldable smartphone in their lineup. The foldable Huawei device is a full-size tablet. It appears to fold in the middle to become a smartphone, but there is a small gap between the two screens when they are opened in the tablet position. However, the company is working on it to remove this gap. Moreover, I do not have information about this phone. Also, it is still unclear that when this phone will be available in market, but I'll update you when I'll get more information about it. There are rumors that Huawei's foldable phone will be showcased in November, but apparently it won't go on sale until the company receives feedback. Huawei will most likely incur the suggested changes and then release the final model, which means it may not be actually be available until 2019. So now let me know what you guys think about it. Is Huawei will launch the first foldable phone, or Samsung could beat Huawei in this foldable tech? Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments, and make sure to subscribe this channel for the upcoming daily tech videos. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, see you soon.